Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Get ready because today we are decluttering and organizing in my bathroom. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. In today's video, I am going to declutter, organize, and clean out my bathroom cabinets. For me, my favorite room to start with anytime I want to declutter or organize is the bathroom, because I don't know about you guys, but for me, I just do not have things that I have sentimental attachment to in the bathroom. So that's where I like to start, and it gets me motivated to continue going with the rest of the house. I have an organizational system in my bathroom that works for me. So mainly I'm just gonna be taking things out, decluttering, cleaning, and putting them back. However, if you do not yet have an organizational system in place that works for you, I suggest taking everything out, sorting through everything, seeing what you have, finding the items that you can get rid of, and going to a place like the Dollar Tree and find creative solutions to store what you do want to keep in your bathroom. For me, I am very fortunate because I am the only one that uses my bathroom, so all that space is mine, and I know that that's not the case for a lot of people. So you may need to invest in some vertical shelving units to give you more space under the sink area. Just whatever you need to find to get you organized. When you have a place for everything in a room such as your bathroom, you are 99% more likely to put it back and things stay neat and in place. You will see from my first footage that I started this a few days ago and my tripod actually broke, so I stopped and I have a new tripod now, so I'm just going to finish, so that's why my clothing is different. I wanted to show you a couple of things that I do have for my bathroom. One thing that I utilize in my bathroom to make my life easier and to make things look more clean and organized, I get these bottles. And I actually ordered these from Grove Collaborative. I think each month when I would do an order, I would add one. It's a glass bottle. And what I do is when I buy my soap or my shampoo, I fill up the bottle, and I find that I use less product, plus it looks nice and neat. I also went to Marshall's, and I found a pretty set of towels. They're the fast dry towels. They're very nice, very plush, and I got 4 bath towels that are a good size. I got 8 washcloths and 2 hand towels, and that is plenty for me. The only item that I purchased to help organize under my sink, I got this basket. I got it at Hobby Lobby for, let's see, $11.99, and it was 40% off. This is going to house my cleaning products that I keep in my bathroom. I have different zones in my home, and my bathroom is the center of zone 1. So I keep all the cleaning products for zone 1 in one central location, which is my bathroom, and I currently am using a bin that I got at the Dollar Tree, but I did pick this up. So I hope this inspires you guys to start decluttering and simplifying and making your life easier.
Without a scar, just living my life with no big worries. And I've always known what I want, just didn't know what came along. Finding myself a much less happy. Back in the days I used to dream about one day, a life so amazing.
So this is the drawer that I keep my everyday things in. I have a new toothbrush that I bought that I need to get out. I need to clean this because it has some toothpaste in it, and there's some things that I need to get rid of, so I'm going to do that quickly.
Not everyone judging me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open. Can't stand to hear more today. I'm gonna lock my door and stay inside away until I'm safe again. I have nothing more to put on. I'm defeated and withdrawn. Just trying to understand where it went wrong. Always believe that nothing good in life is free, but it's overwhelming how people can hate on me.
My new toothbrush does not fit in here as well, but I think it will be okay because there's enough space that it's not going to touch anything when it closes up. So I have toothpaste, toothbrush, face wash, deodorant, little lipsticks, things like that I use on a daily basis, and some nighttime creams.
Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open. No one can break me, and no one can bring me down. I wanna be where I'm safe and sound. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna stay wide open. I look in the mirror, who's looking back at me? I don't know what happened, guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems, I thought we could fix them, but we got tired. There's nothing left to do but to say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over it's you. We were like fireworks, thought nothing could break us. But oh, how we got burned. Look at us now, we scream, we fight, and no one knows the reason. We're both getting out of line. Now say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through. But I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you. We were holding on to something that we both know couldn't work, so we should try to say goodbye. You know we had our problems, so now we have to try to move on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through. But I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you. I'll get over you.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you made it this far, in the comments, give me a blue heart and tell me your favorite place to start decluttering when you are in the decluttering process. Also, if you are new to my channel, I would love to have you in my YouTube family. Just click on that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one. And just remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today.
Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights.